The platform-level roof would be a semicircular shaped structure, designed keeping in mind a blend of aesthetics as well as utility factors such as air, light and visibility. A world of comfort and class awaits each and every passenger as they board the metro, moving at 32 km built all along the way are all